Hello Biomeds, this is TAMER from TAMER BIOMED. In this video, we are going to talk about the different types of maintenance for medical equipment. This is super important for keeping our healthcare system running smoothly. Let's jump right in. First up is corrective maintenance. This happens when equipment breaks down. The goal here is to fix it and get it back to working properly. Next, we have planned preventive maintenance. This is all about being proactive. We schedule regular checkups, cleaning, and safety tests to catch any issues before they become big problems. Then, there is predictive maintenance. This type uses data analysis and monitoring tools to predict when equipment might fail. That way, we can do maintenance just in time, instead of waiting for something to go wrong. Another important type is scheduled maintenance. This is done at regular intervals based on how much the equipment is used or how long it's been since the last check. It's essential to keep everything in good condition. Emergency maintenance is also crucial. This is when we need to jump into action right away if equipment fails unexpectedly and could affect patient care. We also have in-house maintenance. This is performed by trained technicians who work at the healthcare facilities. They handle routine checks and simple repairs to keep things running smoothly. Finally, there is vendor or third-party maintenance. For more complex equipment, this maintenance might be done by the manufacturer or an outside service provider, usually through a service contract. In summary, each type of maintenance is vital for ensuring that medical equipment is reliable and safe in healthcare settings. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful information.